Hello, my name is Johan Falk. I work at NodeOne Scandinavia. This is episode 8 in the Learn Rules screencast series, and this, well, like the previous screencast, we're going to look at a practical example of how to use rules on your site. Before moving into that, this is, NodeOne.se/learn-Drupal, and you go to the Drupal learning library that we have on NodeOne website. A lot of configuration stuff. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, check out the book as well from Amazon.com or your local Amazon store. That's enough about that. So here's the sandbox site we're working with, and it's right now pretty empty. It has no content. We built an example rule in the previous screencast, but I moved it to a feature. We're still on the same site here actually. To a feature you can find here if you have the feature module installed, and that feature is now available in the rules bonus pack that you can download. Last commit was 1 minute ago according to this page. Right, and the feature the configuration I'm gonna build now will also be available to download from the rules bonus pack page. What feature will that be? Well, it's a feature for getting notifications on new comments on your content. So as a site member or a content provider on the site, you should have the option to get notifications when new comments are posted to your content. And I thought this should be, it would be pretty nice to have a checkbox on your user account page to say whether you want this notification or not. So how to do this? Well, this will be a combination of adding fields and using those fields inside rules to send off email messages. We need a new field on the user pages, so we can start by adding that. Configuration, people, account settings, manage fields. This is why I like the admin menu. It's so quick and slick. Comment notification, field, user, comment, notify. I guess something like that. This will be a boolean on off field. Maybe actually, yeah, we'll take a single on-off check box here. It could be a good idea to actually have a select list here with text or something in it if you want to have something than on-off, something other than on-off as possibilities. But this is just an example to show you how you can use rules, not something that we need to have on a live production site built for a client right now. So I'm saving this on value and notify me on when comments are posted to my content, on my content. When someone comments on my content. Posts is probably better. Don't notify me. Yeah. Save. The off value won't show. We won't display this on user registration form. We won't make it required, but I will make a help text saying checking this option will give you mail notifications when someone posts comments to your content. You won't get notifications for your own comments. Right, so this is a piece of information that's pretty important when we configure this rule later on. We don't want to notify the node author if he or she comments on the node he or she has written. Right, use a field label instead of the on value as right, default value of good, number of values, great, save settings. So if I go to my user account here and edit, I should be able here to, notify me when someone comments on my posts. Great, I'm going to check that one. Save. Right. that's that. Now it's rules time. Going into rules, we're gonna add a new rule saying notify node or author on new comments. And I'm gonna call this comment notification. We'll have another comment notification in the next screencast, but that'll be another case. I'm separating that one out. React on event after saving new comment. Right. Save. After saving new comment, add some conditions. We're going to check that the node author has this option checked, and we're also going to check that it's not the node author posting this comment. So let's start with the first one, checking that this checkbox is actually checked. That is a typical data comparison. Continue. What data do we want to check? Here's a pretty cool nesting of objects. From the comment, we want the node. From the node, we want the author. From the author, we want the field user comment notify. Continue. Data value. Okay, it should be checked. What's this? Alright, equals that. Good. Save. Oh, that's probably a true-false thing. Cool. Alright, it should be checked, and now let's verify that it's not the node author posting the comment. That's also data comparison. We're comparing two user objects in this case. We're comparing the comment author, the person posting the comment. Continue. With what? We only have equals here, so we have to use a negate here with the comment node author. Okay, and these should be different, so I select equals here. That's the only possible choice right now, and I select the negate button option, saying that these two should be different, not the same. Then actually let's also check that it's not the anonymous user posting a comment here. Rules will handle that in a nice way. You will notice that it doesn't have any email address to send emails to. Let's actually do that explicitly. It's a good habit. So add a condition. Let's see if we can do this. User has roles. That's probably a good thing. Selector the comment author. No, sorry. It's the comment node author that we're interested in. If for some reason anonymous users can't post comment, we cannot send notifications to them. So the comment node author should not be anonymous user. Alright, comment node author, anonymous user should not be. Save. Right, if all of this is true, then we should send an email to the node author. So I add an action here down at the system, send mail. In Drupal 6 there was an action among the users, send email to a user. Now we can just use this send mail and use data selection to get the to address here. So I'm switching to data selection here. Now we get the broken interface. Comment node author mail. There it is. Alright. To the comments nodes author's email. What should we say here? New comment posted to quote. And now here's a case where we can't get the node title right out from token here, so I'm taking the comment node here and I'm appending title to it. If you don't know which composite tokens you can use like this, then switch to data selection and investigate what you get there. I happen to know this right off my head, so I'm using that. New comment posted to this and this. A new comment has been posted to you can view it at, and there should be a comment URL here, yes. Kind regards the robot at, let's take the dynamic site name here as well, like that. From, leave it empty to use a site-wide configured address. That makes sense to me. Save. Right, and just now for debugging purposes, let's print a message as well. Let's copy this message we have here and go back one step. Add an action to print on the screen. I'm going to remove that when I make this into a feature for the rules bonus pack. System, show a message on the site, value is this. Cool. Let's actually put in breaks here, because I think we need that in the messages. Like that. Nice. Okay. So let's try this. Let's create a piece of content and have someone comment on it. Add content. I'm going to add an article. I'm going to call it Hello World. Alpha, beta, gamma. Some dummy text. And save. Alright. Now, I could try commenting this myself, but let's first try with someone else commenting on it. So I'm switching to another user here. This is Chrome, another browser. I'm logged in here as a test user. Let's actually verify that. Yeah, user, that's user 2. Good. Let's see if I can comment here. Yes, I can. Subject test comment. This is just a test comment. Save. Now the rule should be triggered and display as a message up here. A new comment has been posted to Hello World. You can view it at this address, which is actually the one we're at. No, not really the one we're at right now. Yeah, because it's the comment module taking care of this URL. Cool. Kind regards. Ta-da. Works. Nice. So let's also have a look at this here. Reload. Comment. Let's write another comment. Logged in as the author. Another comment. I am the author of this post. So I shouldn't get an email message about this comment. Save. And now we should not get a message. Sweet. Yeah, that's one of the things you can do with the rules. Pretty short time, pretty useful feature. See you next screencast. Then we'll have a look at how to send emails to get notifications when someone posts replies to your comments as well. Optionally, we'll have a checkbox for that as well. See you there. Bye.